Allahu Akbar. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Subhana Rabbiyal Azim. Subhana Rabbiyal Azim. Subhana Rabbiyal Azim.
What the hell? Get out, you! Go! You know my son! Go! Don't come back! No Muslim? Come back! Muslim? Go! Go! Go!
Peter, what's all this? Peter, is this a sleeping bag? You been sleeping out here? What's wrong?
Kicked out.
What?
My dad kicked me out.
So sorry. I don't know what to say. Why'd he kick you out?
Because I became Muslim.
Boys, what happened?
What happened? You alright?
Peter got kicked out.
No way. Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Peter, you'll be alright, yeah? Because this is just a test. Like, I was tested with money. I guess you're tested with faith, right? So, we'll come strong with it. We'll find a way. Maybe you can live with me.
I don't want to inconvenience you. It's fine, man.
What do you mean by inconvenience, bro? You helped me out when I was in need, right? So this is my time to help you. Yeah? What do you say?
Come on.
Yeah? Let's pack him up, boys. Come on.
Hey, let's go.
Grab
Hey,
his bedroom.
you grab that ball, man. Come on.
So yeah, welcome to my humble abode. It's not the biggest, but alhamdulillah.
You'll do.
Make yourself at home, bro. I'll get your bags.
Quran. Hey Tanvi,
What's up?
can't thank you enough, bro. I really appreciate it.
For the 100th time, brother. It's all good. This guy. Yo, pick up the stuff. 5 minutes till Adhan. Can't wait for it, bro. Yo, biryani, your favorite. You alright?
Yeah, man.
It's just my dad.
Your dad, huh?
I haven't heard from him.
Yeah, I know what it feels like. It's been ages since I've seen my family. It's my first Ramadan here and it's just not the same. Like, back in Pakistan, bro, like, this table will be full of people. Oh, and the food, bro. We got all types of biryani, all types of rice, naans, kebabs. Oh, bro, and korma. Lamb korma and chicken tandoori, bro. Tandoori chicken is the best. Ah,
Sounds amazing, bro.
it is, yeah. You know what? Why don't you make dua? Like, we've been fasting the whole day and it's almost iftar time. This is the best time to ask Allah for anything you want.
How do I do that?
Alright, so you raise your hands and you ask Allah for whatever you want from the bottom of your heart and be sincere.
Oh Allah, fix things between me and my dad. Oh Allah, open my dad's heart to Islam. Oh Allah, guide my dad. What do I do now?
Say Ameen.
Ameen.
Yeah, that's it. Now we just put faith in Allah. You know what? Call him right now. You've just made dua, you put your trust in Allah. Now you should do something. Call your dad.
I don't know, man.
Come on. It's been 2 months. Take that leap. I think it's time.
Okay. No answer. You hung up on me.
At least you tried. Yeah?
Thank you. No. That was so good.
Yeah?
Thanks, bro.
All good. You know what? I'll wash up and then we'll go pray. Yep? Easy.
Alhamdulillah.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
Hi, you've reached Peter. I can't take your call right now. Please leave a message and I'll get back to you when I can.
Peter, come home. I love you. Peter. Okay. Come home. I love you. I love you.
I'm sorry, Peter. I'm sorry.